Welcome to the final qualification match here on the Curie division. We have game pieces being scored for both of these alliances. Looks like Red Alliance is going to try to put up 4 pieces of coral. Team 27, Team Rush, trying to make it 5 pieces of coral at the buzzer. The teams are going to move into our tele-operated period. Robots are going to come alive and students are going to take control. Red Alliance has the advantage, 44-9. Red Alliance is going to start putting up some pieces of coral onto that level 4 and begin de-scoring their algae. Blue Alliance side of the field, they're rocking with the rookies Pizza Bite 2.0, and they have begun scoring some of their algae into the processor and start initiating that cooperation bonus for both of these alliances. 46-46, Wildcard Robotics putting up another free throw attempt into the Red Alliance barge and sinking that in for a couple of points. 27, the hot team beginning to score into the processor for the Red Alliance to get that cooperation bonus rocking and rolling. On the Blue Alliance side of the field, 26-42, trying to take control of the Blue Alliance reef by placing a piece of coral onto level 4 for 5 points. Along with their rookies, they're trying to help them out, make some room, with Red Alliance leading a score of 121-47 with less than a minute and a half left to play. Team Rush begins de-scoring some algae with their partners, the Wildcard Robotics. Wildcard's gonna go put it up for a slam dunk. Team Rush is just gonna toss it out of the way for their partners to pick up off the seafloor. 27, leaning themselves on over to sink on a piece of coral. 1, 2, 3, Red Robots lift their mechanisms up. 1, 2, 3, Red Robots score on all 3 levels of their reef. Blue Alliance has a little bit of catch-up to do with only 2 robots competing for this. 26-42, doing a little spin to line themselves up ever so carefully onto level 4. They'll miss that, but they'll go back and score it one more time. The rookies Pizza Bite 2.0 sending in a piece of algae to the processor for 6 points. Their partners on the opposite side of the field trying to make the most of what they got. 26-42 placing on another piece of coral on the upper level. Wow, the Red Alliance Team Rush trying to place the spot of the final piece of coral. Alliance has 1 more slot left on their reef before it is complete. Can 46-57 take care of that? Looks like the Team Rush is gonna place algae instead. They're gonna line themselves on up. Looks like we will have 2 robots up in the air so far for the Red Alliance. Can we see 2 robots up for Blue? 26-42 has lifted themselves off the ground, and time expires here in the final match. To the Red Alliance. They're taking that win with a score of 228-87. A little bit of shift in the rankings. 46-46 is going to slide up into rank number 4. Very big implications for tomorrow's alliance.